Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. On today's video, we're going to learn how to pin comment on YouTube. So the first thing you're going to do, you log into your YouTube account, which I have already. And once you are logged in, yes, you can see I'm already logged into my YouTube account, and then I'll click on my profile. So once I've clicked my profile, I'll click on my channel, and here I am on my channel. So I will click on videos, and once I have my videos here, I can select on any video here. So once the video opens, okay, so the video just opened. So once the video opens, I will just scroll down here and write a comment. So that is my comment, and then once you have your comment there, that is the comment. So I'm just going to, and you're just going to tap on comment, yes. So now this is my comment, and then you're going to click on these three dots here, and then you select on pin. So if you select pin, it's going to give you this pop-up which will ask pin this comment. Okay, so if you already pinned, this will replace it. So then you just click on pin, and then your comment is already pinned. So anyone who will be coming to the comment section will see your comment will be the first one for anyone who will be coming to the comment section. So that's all for this video, and today I hope you learned something new. If you like this tutorial, please just like, comment, and also make sure you have subscribed so that when I post a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. Bye, and see you in my next video.